Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to log out of all devices on Paramount Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log out from all your Paramount Plus devices, the most effective method is to change your password. So you need to simply log in into your Paramount Plus on the device like a computer or a smartphone and navigate to your account settings. So once you navigate to your account settings, you need to look for a password or account section where you can change your password. Now simply enter a new password and confirm it. Once you change the password, you will be automatically logged out from all your devices where you were previously signed in. So by doing this, you can simply log out from all the devices on Paramount Plus. You can simply try this method and get your result yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this.